That's disgusting. Definitely time to get that thing cleaned up. If your dishwasher isn't running like it used to, or if it's starting to smell a little funky, it's time to wash your dishwasher. Yep, cleaning your dishwasher on a regular basis is a great way to have it last longer and keep your dishes looking and smelling great. To get started, you'll need distilled white vinegar, some dish soap, baking soda, a sponge, and a microfiber cloth. All right, step one, we're gonna remove and clean the filter located on the bottom of the dishwasher right here. Remove the bottom rack, then turn the handle counterclockwise to unlock the filter. Gently lift it out, place it in the sink, and let it soak in hot, soapy water for a few minutes. If you see any debris sitting on the bottom, go ahead and pull it out and toss it. While the filter is soaking, create a cleaning solution using 1 part water and 1 part vinegar. You'll use this to clean the inside and outside of the door. Use a damp sponge and a small amount of vinegar solution to gently clean the rubber seal along the edges. Then look under the lower edge of the door. This is a hard spot to access where a lot of dirt and grime accumulates. To clean the outside of the door, we're going to switch to a clean microfiber cloth and we're going to wipe the vinegar solution gently on the outside of the door. If you have a stainless steel finish, be sure to work in the direction of the grain. Now back to the filter. Spray hot water over the filters to wash away any particles. Use a scrubber brush to gently remove any stubborn pieces. Once they're looking good, go ahead and put the bottom rack back in. To clean the inside, we're going to put 1 cup of vinegar in a dishwasher-safe cup or bowl in the top rack. Run a normal cycle with hot water and use the sanitize feature if you have it. Also, make sure to turn off the heated dry option. If you're still smelling any funky odors after the vinegar cycle is complete, you can use baking soda to deodorize it. Spread about 1/2 to 1 cup in the bottom and run another normal cycle with hot water. That is much better. To keep your dishwasher running and smelling great, we recommend giving it a good cleaning like this every 3 to 6 months. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel for more tech tips.